Good morning class. Welcome back you all in computer class. Now class, today I am going to explain you chapter 6 animation in flash. In this chapter mostly today I will focus on the topic instances. Now listen, what is a instances? Instances is the copy of the original symbols. Instance is the copy of the original symbol. Instance is the copy of the original symbol. We can change the property such as the size of instance, color of instance, position of instance and shape of the instance without affecting the original. Because of it is the copy of instance. So that's why we can make changes, any changes we can make without affecting the original file. Now listen, how to create instance. It's a very simple way. To create an instance. To creating an instance, simple you have to open the for creating image, simple way to open the library. For opening library, you have to go in window menu. In this menu, see window menu, and when you click on window menu, then now there are many options appear. So from here you have to click on library, and you can also click shortcut key Ctrl+L. If you want, you can use shortcut key also to open the library. Now when library open, all the list of symbol appear here who have already created into symbol. All the objects appear in library who has created into symbol. From here simply you have to drag and drop on the stage. From here simple, suppose here it is symbol 2, I have select here, drag and drop. When I have drag and drop, then this symbol appear in your stage. After appearing, after dragging on the stage, you can modify as required. Whatever you want to make changes in this, you can make changes. Now listen, what can you change? Listen, in this step, modifying the instance properties. Every instance has its own properties. We can change transparency. Brightness, tint, alpha, color, etc. And we can also skew. Skew means just like resizing or size of image. Rotate. Rotate means rotating on any angle. Any angle you can rotate. And scale the stance that is created on the stage. For editing, you have to, for editing, for editing any kind of changes if you want to make, then first of all you have to select the instance. If you want to make any changes, then you first of all you have to select the instance. After selecting, you have to go to the property. After selecting, go in window menu and select property. When you select property, then property appear in right side in this area. See now how this appear. Look now, this is your property panel appear this side. In this, whatever you want to make changes, like in style, in color effect, then click on style option. See here option menu. When you click there, you can see various effects. Brightness. It adjusts the relative brightness or darkness of object. If you select -100% brightness, then this will change to black color. And if you write 100% brightness, it change to white. It changed to white. See now, here brightness. It changed to totally white. Next one. Next now tint. Tint property of instant. It changes the color of object by putting the color value in form of red, green, blue, RGB. Red, green, blue means in RGB. Look now, here written tint. In tint red, green, blue. What you want? You can adjust the color. You can adjust color from here. Whatever want you can make change. So this is your tint. By tint property, it change the color of the object by putting the color value of red, green and blue. Next one, alpha. Next one, alpha. It is only used for adjust the transparency level of instance. It adjusts the transparency level of instance. How we want? It's transparency. If you want to hide, if you want to medium transparency, then everything you can see it from medium, low, in highest. So that all the things can be modified from property panel. Whatever you want to make changes, again I am repeating the same step. Whatever you want to make changes, first of all you have to select the object, go in window menu, select property, then property panel appear towards right side. In that many options are given. Whatever you want to make changes in color effect, brightness, tint, alpha, whatever you want to make, you can make changes. Whatever you changes there, changes also apply to your instance. Now class, today's topic are enough. Other topic I will explain in next class. Now for today, thank you all for today class. Thank you all.